Well, my name is Frankie Lopez. Today I'm going to be testing out my Insta 360 Go 2, and also I'm going to be testing out my DJI Osmo Action at nighttime. So I got my light there right on top, as you can see there, and I'm going to put it on the side here, my DJI Osmo Action, and let's check it out, see how good it functions at night. It's a 360 Go 2, and also with my DJI Osmo Action. Stop recording. Start recording. So I'm gonna start. Let's see how I have the light set up here. All right. That's fully dark right there. That's stop recording. Ooh, it's a little chilly here today. Camera about the DJI Osmo Action is pretty cool because of the voice command. Is that it's so small that I just take it off and then just put it back on. That is cool. Now let's go over here where it's a little darker and let's check out. This is going to be the real test over here. See what kind of quality we get just with my headset lamp. That's a little bit of dirt right now. Whew, it's a little chilly. I'm sure I'm gonna handle it. Should have brought my jackets. Whoa. This little dirt road. That should have been a pretty good test right there. How good it looks at dark. Let's go a little bit over here where it's a little bit darker. Chilly, chilly, chilly. Let's check it out. It's a little bit darker here. We got the lights from the city, and it should help a little bit more comparison. Well, after checking this footage out, quite frankly, I'm so surprised that the Insta 360 Go To actually beat the DJI Osmo Action. Wow. I'm really, really blown away. Let me ask you guys, what do you think about it?